So, eto na nga mga Habibis, good morning. Magbibigay lang kami ng update kasi if you remember, nagbigay kami ng update sa pagkakaroon namin ng baby, and the last time that we gave an update was meron kaming isang embryo na nag-proceed ng normal based on testing, and naghihintay kami na magkaroon ng surrogate, and I think yung last naming update was July 1. Tapos ngayon, this September, nakahanap na ng surrogate para ma-implant yung embryo namin. And
Nag-iisa naming embryo.
nag-iisa lang yung embryo namin. And noong September 17 nga, nagkaroon kami ng surrogate, ma'am. Tapos, nag-implant. Kailan nag-implant, ma'am?
October 1.
So, from September 17 to October 1, nagkaroon ng stimulation process yung aming surrogate, ma'am, para ma-prepare yung body niya for the implantation. And noong October 1, nag-implant na ng embryo. And syempre, sobrang isa din namin, and we were waiting and hoping na maging okay
Kasi
yung
okay naman
process.
okay naman yung lab results niya. Tapos, healthy naman yung surrogate mom. And when they check the lab results niya, healthy siya, okay naman siya. So, ready siya for implantation. And nung in-implant, okay din yung progress. She was on bed rest for 14 days, for 2 weeks. Because they were hoping for the best na turn out nung implantation. And then after 2 weeks, today they messaged us this morning ng update ng lab results kung yung beta HCG niya, which determines kung okay yung implantation.
So, nakuha namin yung news this morning, and unfortunately, nag-negative yung pregnancy test niya, which means na hindi nag-progress yung implantation.
So, we lost the only embryo that we have.
Yeah. So, medyo, actually masakit, pero ganun talaga, iniisip ko na lang na hindi meant to be yung time na to for us. And siguro yun ang plan para sa amin, and we can only, hope na yung next na magkakaroon ulit kami ng ganitong process is sana maging successful. Pero ang mangyayari lang, guys, is mag-start kami from zero. So back to zero uli kami, at magsisimula uli kami from scratch. And ako, tinanggap ko na siya because I know nung pinasok namin ito ni Happy David, we know the risk at saka yung mga consequences ng mga possibility na pwedeng maging successful, pwedeng mag-fail. And unfortunately, sa first try namin, nag-fail siya. So, yeah. Malungkot, pero kailangan namin tanggapin.
May name na ako sa kanya.
Meron na kaming name. Ayun, tama. Nag-prepare na kami ng mga pangalan. Kasi we know that it's a girl, it's a baby girl. Pero
Sabi kasi nila okay yung results.
Okay naman. Actually, lahat. Wala naman in the process ng nung ganito. It was all normal. All good.
Very
All good
high
lahat.
chances.
High chance. So, yung implantation,
Hindi ko
dun
alam.
lang.
Hindi din siya, okay din yung implantation, okay din yung progress ng kanyang pregnancy.
Tsaka yung body niya, prepared ang body niya. Lahat
Walang
ng
negative at all.
lahat ng mga test indicates na okay lahat. Pero ganun talaga siguro. Iniisip ko na lang na hindi talaga siya meant to be for us, maybe this time. But hopefully sa next time natin is maging successful. And we will try. We will try until na magkaroon kami at maging successful. Kasi ready na kami ni Happy David na magka-baby. I think we prepared ourselves na magkaroon. At kung kailan nyo ibibigay sa amin, magiging masaya kami. So, kung it will take time for us to have one, that's okay. Ang importante, we will keep on trying. Kaya nang malungkot. I know, it's really sad, but yun talaga, not meant to be for us this time. Nalulungkot. Sobrang malungkot si Happy David, pero kina-comfort ko siya na hindi talaga meant to be this time. And we will just keep on trying. Magta-try kami. I know na magkakaroon din kami ng baby soon. So, maybe this time hindi siya ibinigay sa amin, pero I'm sure bibigyan din kami. Hindi namin alam kung kailan, pero we will keep on trying. So, yun lang, mga Habibis. And salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa journey na to. And hindi kami titigil ni Habi David hanggat hindi kami magkaroon ng successful pregnancy para sa magiging anak namin. We will keep on trying. Yan. Salamat sa mga prayers at saka sa mga salamat sa mga nagdasal para sa amin. Again, ulitin ko, hindi pa siguro time na magkaroon kami. But hindi kami titigil.